Guys, Adya from Nasdaq, and today in this video I'm going to unbox the brand new Nikon D3500. So in fact, I've been a big fan of Nikon in the beginning days. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you press the subscribe button. So guys, moving on to the box, you can see it includes 16 GB Class 10 SD card and a carry case, which are completely free for this camera. Let's have a look into that carry bag. This is the carry bag which they have given for me. So it's not quite interesting, but it's of good quality. Let's keep that aside. So moving on to the box, we'll unbox this camera. Let's unbox this now. First thing we are gonna see is the user manual and warranty card, which comes with 2 years of warranty. So these are all kind of boring things. So guys, you can see the camera is completely protected in order to avoid damages while transportation. So let's open our refresh bubble wrap. So guys, this is 1855mm VR lens kit. Have a look into it. Let's remove this cap now. So my suggestion is that please handle the lens very carefully, because these lenses are so expensive. In order to zoom in or zoom out the images you click, press this button and rotate based on your convenience. So guys, let's see what else do we get in the box. We get a Nikon carry strap with a Nikon logo. The quality is great and feels nice. I personally suggest you to use this always with camera, because when the camera slips from your hand, you will suffer a great loss. So moving on to the box, let's see what's in the box now. There's a 24-volt adapter to charge your battery, which comes with a wall charger. Have a look into that. Unfortunately, I thought Nikon would provide a USB charger. They have given a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack with 1230 mAh battery. Should remove this cap and place it in this manner in order to charge. Keeping this aside, and they have given a 16 GB Toshiba SD card. So guys, of course I know you all are eagerly waiting to look the actual camera. So let's unbox this and have a look into it. Let's keep this box aside. Oh, it's completely wrapped. So guys, here it is, the Nikon D3500 camera. Have a close look into it. So let's fix its lens with it. So because I am fixing it, because the camera won't turn on until and unless you fix the lens to it. So guys, here it is, your Nikon D3500, a really quite little camera. So guys, these are the things which we get in the box. Talking about the optical part, they have given a nice grip to shoot the videos and to click the images. And talking about the slots, they have given the battery slot on the bottom of the camera, and micro SD slots on the sides of the camera, and HDMI slot and charging slot on the right side part of the camera. And they've even given a tripod socket on the bottom of the camera. HDMI slot is used for sharing images and videos captured by this camera, and it is mainly used for connecting it with mic. The quite interesting part about this is it even has a Bluetooth technology which is compatible with iOS and Android. It does not give any issues while transferring. Giving a short review about the camera which I have instantly noticed. Firstly, talking about weight, it weighs about 415 grams. It's quite less, but it's manageable for the given price range. And talking about the display, it has 3-inch TFT LCD display, and it does not come with a touch screen, and display cannot be rotated or flipped. It video records 1080p at 60 fps. So guys, this camera cannot be used for logging purpose and all, because it does not autofocus properly while video recording. And my opinion is that this camera cannot be used for professional photography, but it can be used for commercial use. So talking about the price range, I bought it for around 35 to 36,000. If you are wishing to buy this camera, check out the link in the description box. So that's all for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe, which gives us more encouragement to do more interesting videos. So thank you, have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy, and follow the pandemic protocols.